Everyone, welcome back to YNAB Budgets. Welcome if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey, how you doing? So today I would be doing the first budget for July. This will be my second to last paycheck, I would say, until I leave my job to start grad school. So today I have $1,108.78 because I already started budgeting for my paycheck. So I did make more of this, but I had went on vacation, so I had to take some money out to budget so that I did not overspend when I went away. So let's get into this thing, y'all. So weekly expenses, I already put some money in gas. So that's that. This y'all, it's about to storm. I wonder if y'all just heard that. So let's get it to on these bills. Let's see. I have done everything. Insurance I just paid because that was taken out on the 6th. So no bills are due. I will be coming back to this category. Let's get onto the subscriptions. So right now, since I got paid on, let me make sure I have the right date for you. I got paid on the 11th, so I'm taking care of everything from the 18th, from the 11th all the way up to the 25th. So let me get to that. And last time when I had so much money is because I forgot about this, which is crazy, but it's the truth. So we just putting these numbers in. So for this paycheck, I will be taking care of the gym, Apple Music, and I pay for the gym, and I'm gonna be going like that, yo. So I really need to get that together. Terrible. This right here, my YNAB, what I'm using right now. You need a budget, and I absolutely love YNAB. Okay. I believe this is everything. High spending, so I will be taking care of spending. I will be putting some money to my car. I will be taking care of this overspending, y'all. Toiletry is not getting anything as of now. And now we're into my Zene category. So as y'all can see, I'm covering some overspending that is usually covered anyway by my buffer, and then I just handle it when I get paid. So I'm trying to see anything that I owe here. I actually already paid something this month that I know of. So let me check that real quick because it's going to change how I am doing things right now. All right. Right now, I think this is okay, but we'll probably be coming back to this category because I'm not too sure yet. Um, yeah. And as you can see, the money that I had in personal is going mid spending. So I do need to add some money to this. Let's just do, how much did I need to pay? 40, 45, which it has already come out. And then I'm trying to decide if I need to put anything in health, but I don't as of now. So I'm just paying the stuff that I need to handle this month as of right now. I already, like I told you, I put my Ultra Human Ring, which I absolutely love, which has shown me I am a terrible sleeper. So I'm trying to get my sleep together. I already paid the payment for this month, and I only have $8.51 left. So I will be getting ready to use that. I still have this on like once or whatever to get up to a certain amount. I'm trying to decide if I want to change the target. But for right now, I'm actually okay with it. But I might just put it like this. Monthly, I want to set aside. So I'm just going to change this because the payment every single month is $73.51. And I cannot wait to show y'all my budget when I am like in school because I already did all of that. So y'all can see what I'm doing. And then it's a couple other things that I need to take care of. So we're going to go down to long term saving because it's for medical school. I see that I already have $49, but I am going to add $65. I might be adding more than that, but we will see. And then I'm just checking all my accounts because make sure I don't have anything else to pay for, y'all. Mm, I'm going to use my next paycheck for this. All right. So we're going to go to credit card payments. And I know that I still need another $93 for this. I know for this, I'm not putting anything here because I literally used my credit card when I was on vacation. So I kept putting more money on there because it has such a low amount. But I trust that one because my bank knew that I was traveling and wouldn't get it on any fraud. So I just wanted to make sure of that. And then PayPal, I think I'm going to just add another 100 to that instead of the usual amount. So now let's go back through and make sure everything has it. Keep me afloat. I am going to add $25 because I have not added any money to this. Weekly expenses, gas, I have already put money in it. Bills, let's see. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, I'm putting money in the wrong spot, y'all. I think that's the right amount. Subscriptions, I'm just making sure I'm not missing nothing. That girl be spending. I don't think I missed anything from here either, y'all. Because, like, I feel like it's so easy to forget expenses when there's nothing next to them about, like, what you need to pay. It's very easy to do that. High spending, I'm okay on that. I am getting my hours done, so let me add 15 to here. And since I spent all my personal money, let's add another 15 to here. And mid spending, like I'm looking at this to make sure I don't have nothing else I need to do. Health, I am going to add 25 because that's important. Long-term savings, nothing. But y'all know I'll always be transferring money. So let's do another 75 here. And I'm actually going to add another 20 here. So that has 134. Traveling the world, I think I'm okay right now, but we shall see. So that will be at least $700, $800 before it's all over with. My yearly subscriptions, I'm gonna leave that alone. My credit cards, I be trying to get that money, handle that. So I'm gonna put 50 on this. This, I'm not gonna do that until my last paycheck because I pay that at the end of the month and I'm already a month ahead. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add 75 to this. I think that's it for today. Y'all watch me budget real quick and easy. My spending already has been horrendous for this month, so we're not going to get into that. I will do a monthly recap. I think it's to say I have something overspent. I'm not sure where this negative is coming from because I do not know, y'all. So let me go back through and see if I see where the overspending is. Sorry, I'm just keeping y'all here just to make sure I don't see it because hmm. So I'm just making sure I'm not missing nothing. And I might put some money in going out. We'll see. I just want to make sure. I put 50 there. I have $89 left there. Send in gas. Go to my subscriptions. I think we're cool. See how they tell me that I need to refresh. So we're gonna refresh. There we go. And then yeah, y'all, I don't know where the overspending is coming from, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But that is all for now. I'm not gonna have y'all sit here and keep watching me. Peace out, and I hope y'all watch my last video. It's just music playing in the background as y'all watch me. That's it. Catch y'all on the next video.